Oscar.
Hey, Molina, hello. Okay, people, we are going to wait for a couple of moments and then we are going to start, okay?
Show your hand, sir.
Mister, la cartera, mister.
Jen Sirvina, what an adorable brother. Hello, people. I hope that you are okay. People, as an instruction, you need to have that book, the practice book, the student book. Not a workbook, not a workbook. Practice book, okay? Right now, I already turned off your microphones. It's because sometimes it's really noisy, okay? So don't worry, you don't have to turn it on unless I call you to participate, okay? As an instruction, if there is one moment that you cannot listen very well, or you start listening that it doesn't sound anymore, in that moment, please get out of the class and then get in one more time. Sometimes that fixes the problem, okay? Let me see who is connected. Daniel Alfredo, Denis Molina, Denis Escobar, Kenzie Urbina, Lisette Murillo, Mauricio, Mayra, Noemí, Oscar, Samuel, someone that says usuario, I don't know who that person is. Let me see, Sadia, Sadia is over there, Laura. Oh my goodness, these people is like modeling here. Okay, people, remember that you are being recording, okay? Yeah, I'm recording the class, so later this will be on YouTube. And then out on Play, we'll make a video about our class.
Mentira.
Okay, people.
Ya están las coberturas.
Mister.
Okay. Well, people, hello, Naomi. No, who is that girl? The one from the iPhone? From Antonio. Okay, people. We are going to start right now. Well, in 1 more minute, okay? I need you to go to page 65. Page 65 on your practice book.
Vela. ¿Dónde está el calamardo?
Oh my gosh, who is asking for the charger?
Como un peluche, pues.
Mister.
Tell me.
Workbook.
No, a student book. You don't need a workbook. Workbook, no.
What page? What page?
65.
65. 65.
65, okay? Page 65.
Yes.
65.
Okay. A lasaña.
Just wait me a second, okay?
Pero no salí. Vaya, vaya, vaya.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello, mister.
who has the chicken there? Okay, people. So we are going to start page 65, practice book, okay?
Practice. Okay.
Okay, let's start, people.
Hey, mister.
Okay, Liberty Bilingual School Language Class,
Good morning.
8th grade. Morning, by the way, people, by Mr. Mejia. Okay, the first thing that I would like to tell you is that I miss you. I miss you so much, people. So here, you have no idea. And the other thing is that I hope that you are okay. I hope that you haven't had problems, that you are well in your health and your family too, okay? So let's start with the class, day number 1. Remember that we have the class, today and tomorrow. So today we have the day number 1 and tomorrow we have the day number 2. So day number 1. We're going to see the vocabulary and keywords, okay? As you can see over here, we have the keywords: accurate, continuous, data, depth, determine, and theory, okay? We are going to see this vocabulary and some example of it, okay? This you can find on page 65, right? On page 65, you can find these keywords. Listen and speaking keywords. Read aloud and listen to these sentences. Use the context to figure out the meaning of the highlighted words. Use a dictionary to check your answers. Then write each word in its meaning in your notebook, okay? So don't worry, you don't have to do this. You're going to see each word right now. The first one, accurate, okay? This word means when you are, as you can see over here in the arrow, this arrow goes straight to the point, to the center, to be really on the point, okay? I will give you another example. For example, when you take a stone and you throw it away and you get into the center of something, you are being really accurate, okay? It means, for example, sorry. Molina, no, we don't have to copy the words yet, okay? But thank you for asking. Okay, we have accurate, that means basically going to the center, being really, how can I explain you this? That you are being really carefully about it. Then we have the next word that is continuous. Continuous means when you are doing something over and over again, okay? That you are continuous doing something, okay? Another kind of example, that you continues doing your TikToks videos instead of paying attention to the class. Don't lie to me, I know that is true. Okay, that's continuous. Then we have data. Many people pronounce this data or data. Both are okay. Data, it's basically, in a few words, information. That's data, information. As you can see, we have probably financial information about money or business, or it can be information about technology or informatic data, okay? For example, another kind of example of data, have you heard about the amount of cases of coronavirus in the country, right? So that information, that is called data, okay? Let's see, let's continue. Then we have depth, okay? Depth means, for example, how deep a place is, okay? As you can see in the picture, this, the depth is getting deeper and deeper and deeper, okay? That's depth. For example, here, the depth is 10 meters, okay? Then over here, we have 20 meters, and you see it is increasing. It is getting deeper and deeper and deeper. That's the depth. Mostly, most of cases, people, we relate this word depth to the water, especially to the oceans, the swimming pools, or any other kind of area that we have water. That's depth, okay? Then we have the word determine, okay? Sorry, the correct pronunciation of this word is determine, okay? What is the meaning of determine? It is about to identify, okay? For example, let's imagine this situation. You have to go out to the store, to the pulperia there in your neighborhood, okay? And you have to go there and buy something. Your parents are sending you to go there. You have to determine if it is risk or safety, okay? Or safety, you can pronounce both of them, okay? Okay, you have to determine which of them is the correct one, okay? It's basically to identify, to determine which is the best for you in this case. Then we have the word theory. Theory, it's more related to what do you think, okay? What do you think it's true? But in order to prove or to show that your theory is real, you have to do the practice, okay? You cannot show that your theory is real if you don't do the practice, okay? You have to show it through the practice. Okay, let's see over here. I will call some people in order to see, in order to have you reading this. Okay, let me see. Lisette Murillo, I already turned on your microphone, okay? Could you please help me reading the number 1? Okay, the number 1.
Her dream was to complete an accurate map of the seafloor, correct in every way and actually showing what it looked like.
Okay, what it looked like. Okay, very good. Sorry, who is reading that? Christopher. Christopher, are you? Are you Christopher?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's because I connected from the Facebook of my mom.
Oh, okay, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, Lisette Murillo. Okay, but that's Christopher. Christopher! Okay, then we have the number 2 that is going to help me. Jocelyn.
Jocelyn. Hi, mister.
Hello, baby. Okay, could you please help me reading the number 2?
Okay, an accurate map of the seafloor was only possible by taking continuous measurement, no one at a time.
Okay, very good. As you can see, as she read, as you can hear, an accurate map of the seafloor was only possible by taking continuous measurements, okay? You see, continuous. So it means that they measured the ocean, the depth of the ocean, many, many times, not one at a time, okay? No, it means that they did it over and over and over again. So that's continuous, okay? Number 3, Christian Medina. Are you ready? Turn on your microphone, please. Tell me the number 3. Christian? I guess it's not over there, okay? Christian, are you there?
Yeah, mister.
Okay, could you please help me reading the number 3?
Using data from deep sea cameras, they worked together to locate airplanes that had crashed and sunk to the bottom of the ocean.
Okay, very good, very good. As he read, using data from the deep sea cameras, you see, the data is basically the information that they took from the deep sea cameras, okay? They were able to do something thanks to the information or the data that they collected, okay? The number 4, Dennis Escobar. I already turned on your microphone. The number 4, Dennis Escobar.
In order to map the ocean floor, it was necessary to take depth measurement of the water from the surface of the bottom.
Okay, very good, very good. As you can listen, it was necessary to take depth measurements from the water, the surface to the bottom. So it means that they measured the ocean from the top part to the bottom part, okay? From the top to the bottom. Then we have the number 5. Sadia, could you please help me reading that section? Number 5, Sadia.
Wait, Mr. Technology was developed to determine the exact measurements of any part of the ocean.
Okay, very good. Technology was developed to determine the exact measurements of any part of the ocean. You see, to develop, to determine, to identify the exact measurements of any part of the ocean. And the number 6, Molina is going to help me. The number 6.
Right now.
Yeah.
A theory of continental drift tried to explain the movement of Earth's continent.
Continents.
It was very controversial.
Okay, continents. Very good.
Do you hear me?
Okay,
Huh?
okay, very good. Okay. The theory of continental drift tried to explain the movement of Earth's continents, okay? You see, it was a theory. At that moment was not really considered as real, and it was very controversial. But now we know that it's true. If you didn't know, people, that continents, America, Africa, European, Asia, all of them are moving. All of them move in some, in a little distance every year, but they move, okay? So let's complete this section. Page 65. We're going to complete this section using the words that we have learned. These words, the keywords. Okay, one more time. The words accurate, continuous, data, depth, determine, and theory. Okay. So let's identify this section, each of them. So you're going to help me to read, to complete these questions, this exercise. Choose which are the best words to complete these sections, okay? The number 1, can someone tell me what is the answer of this section? That non-stop and space, music is so annoying. It's something that a kid, it's something that is doing over and over.
Continuous.
Continuous, very good. Okay, the number 4, the number 2, sorry. Your figures don't add up. The results are not
Determinate.
Okay. I will tell you better the definition of this word. Accurate. It means preciso. Okay. Your figures don't add up. The results are not
Accurate.
accurate. Very good. Very good. Is the space at the shallow end of the pool 3 feet? They are talking about water, about swimming.
Depth.
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 Very good.
Depth.
Very good. Sorry, people, don't get excited. Don't get excited. I don't have candies to give you right now. Okay.
Psychological candies.
Psychological.
No.
Hey, and don't tell me that I have to send you psychological homework.
Yeah, too.
Okay. Her idea has not been proven. It is still just a
Theory.
theory. Very good. Who said that? Mauricio?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Mauri.
You're able to. Nancy, hi.
Were you able to determine? People, the pronunciation of determine is determine.
I'm confused, sorry.
No, don't worry. It's okay. Number 6. I'm sorry to say that space we collected doesn't explain what happened. It's about the information.
Data.
Data. Very good, very good. Now let's check your work. Let's check if the answers you provided me are correct. Continuous. Okay, continuous, accurate, depth, theory, determine, and data.
Yay.
Okay, people, please Start copying this information on your books. Okay, start copying this information on your books, please, because later, as soon as we're coming back to the institution, we have to check this, okay? So please copy right now. And the number one that is continuous, the music is so annoying, it was because the music was continuing being over and over. And here, the figures that don't add up, these results are not accurate. So it means that the information is not really go to the point. And this is about depth. As I told you, it's about a swimming pool and how deep this swimming pool is. And that the word depth. The number four, that her idea has not been proven, it is still just a theory, okay? It's because it has not been proven. So it can be true or it cannot be. It's just like a theory. Were you able to determine how long it will take to get there? It's like to identify, to establish how long it will take to get there. And finally, the number one, I'm sorry to say that the data we collected doesn't explain what happened, okay? As you can see over here, it's data. It's about the information that they collected, but the information that they collected doesn't explain what happened, okay? Really clear? May I move? So let's go to the next one. Now let's go to page 66, okay? Page 66. We're going to see over here the new words, another words, the academic words. We have the word accompanied, okay? Aid, challenge, and code, okay? Let's see over here. The first one, accompanied, went somewhere with someone. It's, for example, when you are going to the city mall, for example, let's just give you an example. When you're going to the city mall and you are being there accompanied by your parents. So it means that your parents are being there with you. Then we have this word, aid, help or support given to someone. I will give you an example of this. The word aid is extremely related to the first aid. When you are about to die and a paramedic comes to you and that person gives you the first aids, okay? Then we have the challenge, something difficult that you need skill or ability to do. It's something that demands to you to be really, to use your abilities or your skills, okay? Then we have the word code. The code doesn't mean something related to the elbow. No, it's not that. Code is a way to use words, letters, and numbers to record information, okay? Let's see better with pictures, okay? Accompany, the first one. Children must be accompanied by adults. For example, when you are leaving the institution, no, you know, because you are already old. When kindergarten students, the ones who are in kindergarten or prepa, as they call them, they must go, children must be accompanied by adults, okay? They cannot live by their own. They need to be accompanied by an adult. Then we have aid. As I told you, look, first aid, okay? This picture represents basically the first help that you receive, okay? In this case are called first aid. Then we have a challenge. Challenge accepted, okay? We have over here challenge. Being honest, guys, have you completed challenges during this quarantine being at home? That someone dare you, that someone challenge you to accept something that you have to overcome?
Yeah.
What do you do, Mauricio?
Llegar a diamante, Free Fire.
Ah, no, come on. I guess that is better than the Okay. Okay, people, okay. I guess that is better. That is so much better than the other challenges that I have been seeing, that some people that is shaving their heads, cutting their hair.
Cortar maíz.
Come on, Molina. Okay.
Me, Mr. Cutting my hair.
Really? You did it?
A little bit.
Oh my God. Okay, I think that we are going to see you bald when we are coming back to school.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the next one. Code. As I told you, code doesn't mean something related to the elbow, okay? Code, it's about information. As you can see over here, it's a word, symbols, and numbers, okay? All of this together in order to collect information. This is more for informatic terms, okay? It's more related to, how can I explain this? It's more about technology, okay?
The computers.
Yeah, computers. Very good, Mark. Okay, let's see over here right now, one more time, the definition of it. A company went somewhere with someone. It needs to be a company. Then we have aid, help or support given to someone. Okay, I like the first aid. Challenge, something difficult that you need a skill or ability to do. It's something that you have to overcome, or something as it is mentioned here, that demands skills or ability. And code, a way to use words, letters, and numbers to record information. Okay. So let's go right now to page 67, the next page. And over there, we are going to complete this. Okay, first we're going to see this. I need Axel Navarro. Are you ready? Okay.
Hi, Mr. I don't have the book.
No, don't worry. You can read over here.
I can see.
Oh my God, you are getting blind?
I'm Choco.
He need glasses.
Hello,
You need some
Mr.
milk.
Okay. Marta, are you there?
Yes, Mr. I'm here.
Okay, Marta, can you please help me reading this? No, here in on the slide. Marta? Okay, I will choose, okay, I will call someone else, okay? Let me see someone. Laura. Okay, Laura, I already turned on your microphone, okay? Could you please help me reading this information?
What, mister?
Here, this information that is over here in the slide.
Mister, I can see because I have the camera. And wait, mister, wait.
Laura, are you still sleeping?
I don't know where, mister.
You don't see it, but you have your book there. Do you have that?
What part?
Page 67.
You never know where we are. 60, what? 67. When it says word study.
Exactly, that section.
SH and TSH are consonant clusters. They sound the same but are spelled differently. Look at the words wish and scratch. The final sound in each word is the same, but the words are spelled differently. English words may begin with the letter CH, but never with the letter CSH. Read the examples in the chart below and pronounce each word aloud.
Okay, thank you, Laura. Very well, very well. As she was reading, CH and TCH are consonant clusters. But what are consonant clusters? Basically, they sound the same, but they are spelled differently, okay? Look at the words. Okay, listen. With and scratch. With, scratch. The final sound is the same, like ch. With, scratch. The final sound in each word is the same, but the words are spelled differently. You see? CH, TCH. English word may begin with the letter CH. Okay, you see? In English, many words can start with CH, initial position, with CH. Many words can do like that. But never, please people, never with the letters TCH. Look, TCH, initial, no, it doesn't exist, okay? Let's read the examples. Let's read all of them together. Please pronounce at home. Let's see, spelling, CH, initial position. Let's see. Change. You have to repeat it. Change.
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 Challenge.
Challenge.
Ya me perdí.
Challenge.
Yomi.
Challenge.
Yomi.
Jocelyn. Jocelyn.
Check. Oh my goodness, who's that baby? Hey, come on, people. Take this easy. I'm gonna turn off your microphones. Okay, bye-bye. Then we have check. Bye. Now let's see the final position with CH. Reach, research, attach. And as you can see over here, the TCH only occurs at the final position, like in catch, in match. Okay, let's complete some exercises. Okay, the first one, it can be real, it can be a real CH or TCH.
CH.
CH, very good. To create challenge. To reach with CH or TCH?
CH.
CH, your goals. Number 2, the results of the research, CH or TCH?
CH.
Need to be checked. Can someone else tell me what it goes here?
CH.
CH, okay, very good. The number 3, there was one, the number 3.
Okay.
There was one big cat. TCH?
TCH.
TCH.
Very good. Very
TCH.
good. The number 4.
You're welcome.
I'm going to change.
It says to me.
Mister, you can repeat me the number 3, please.
Then, okay, I will show you the answers later. But here in the number 4. Okay, that was really noisy, okay? And the number 4, I'm going to change the picture with CH or TCH. Elisa Michelle Cordova?
CH.
CH. Very good. And the picture and attach, TCH or CH?
CH.
CH, very good. Let's check the answers, okay? People, I need you to fill this out in order to have it ready, okay? Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna give you, okay? As you can see over here, here are the answers, okay? Please, if you have your book there, you must have your book
Just
there.
one TCH.
Yeah, as you can see, most of them are starting with CH. And the letter says that we cannot use TCH at the beginning of words. It's not possible. Okay, please. If you are ready, tell me to move on.
Yeah, Mister.
Move on.
Oh my goodness, you are like pushing me. Come on, Mr. Move on. Okay, people. Homework.
Mister, can you see me?
Why
I got a
homework,
question.
Mister? No, Mister.
It's really simple, people.
No, Mister, no.
I will turn off your microphone. Bye-bye. Okay.
No, Mister.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna Try it right now. You cannot do it, right? It's because I cannot allow you to turn on your microphone. Okay, people, complete the workbook pages 33, 34, okay? Now you can turn it on.
Why you?
Hello.
Oh, people, by the way, you will
No
appear on
sé,
YouTube.
Paige, contando si me mira, pero no me
Page
responde.
33, 34.
Mr. What? What?
Ajá.
¡Bebé!
Mr. already go. Mr. What? Page, Mr.
Fíjense.
As you can see over here,
Dani.
page
Daniel, vamos a jugar
33.
ahorita, Daniel. Estamos jugando con tu tía ahorita, Daniel.
Daniel.
Page 33, 34. These are the pages that you need to complete. If you have already done, don't worry, okay? It means that you have already completed. So you don't have to do it. So don't worry. Don't worry, Kenzie. My goodness, Naomi, why are you wearing that sweater? Okay. And now, people, let's see the
La
final.
milpa.
Okay, now see the last work, okay? The last homework. Including your dictionary, the academic words, and keywords. That's everything. Remember what we do with the academic words? We include it in the dictionary, the definition and the word. That's everything that you need to do for tomorrow, okay? You don't have to send me anything that work. You don't worry. Don't make me that fake, Christopher.
Finish.
Okay, and
La
that's
milpa.
Mister.
Milpa.
Mister, can you see me?
who's talking there? Jocelyn?
Chupame un huevo y la mitad del otro.
Okay.
Mister, you listen, Mister.
Okay, people, that's everything for this class. Okay, complete the workbook page 33 and 34 for tomorrow. And then we need to include the dictionary and the academic words. Okay, so that's everything, people. Thank you so much for your attention and see you tomorrow at the same time. Bye, my babies. I miss you.
Can you pay me attention, please?
Mister, me agarraron la cartuchera. No
Parábola.
We can get out.
Yeah, you can leave.
Ah, español, vamos, va.
Daniel,
Sí, es mono.
Cristian, vamos a jugar.
Sociales.
ahorita
Ah,
te estamos jugando con tu tío, Daniel.
Tami.
Me bajaron punto, papá.
¿Quién está hablando?
Tu
tío Daniel. Daniel.
Daniel, vamos ahorita.
Jugamos, Daniel.
Bye,
Solo
bye.
tenemos 20 minutos.